They ran away, didn't pay the bills, didn't pay the electricity, didn't pay for the water. It's so messed up for the first time. People who live here, they don't take care. Look, I'll make this place a house again, a home again. Hey guys, welcome to the channel of Me A Coffee Cher. Today y'all will spend the day of my life with me. I will go to my house in Rayong that I rented out for my tenant, and obviously my tenant is moving out and I have to go there and check is everything okay. And obviously like she is late payment like 2 months, so I had to kick her out. Can't stand it. Thai people always have problem with the financially, but anyway, we'll go together to Rayong. Let's see how my day look like. Let's go. All right, y'all, so we arrived at my house in Rayong, and whew, it needs to be clean, y'all. So let me show y'all my house, how it look right here. Okay. So this is like 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Hey babe. So, and this is beside the house. It need to be clean, like deep clean for sure. So let's see inside. So actually when I rented out, I didn't put any furniture, like not so much, like TV. This is 1 bedroom. It used to be Austin bedroom here. And this is big room. Didn't put so much furniture. Just have the closet right here, and it's the bathroom right here. But damn, like since the first tenant that I have, they make it mess up like this. Like it's new house though. When I live in here, I never make it mess up like this until I rent it out for somebody, and then they mess it up at the first place, at the first time. They ran away, didn't pay the bills, didn't pay the electricity, didn't pay for the water. It's so messed up for the first time, and I can't reach them, and I'm just like, okay, let it go and try to like fix it, you know. And then my second tenant, this one that just moved out, she actually my co-worker from the job before. So actually she owed me the rent 2 months, but she did leave. She didn't, you know, like leave or escape or nothing, because we know each other. So she just decided to tell me that, okay, can I pay split 2,000 baht a month for 5-6 months? I'm like, oh my god, that's crazy, but I have to do it because I'm like, okay, you need to go out of my house right now, and somehow I will come back and move in, guys. I will come back and move in really close. So I'll make this place a house again, a home again. You know, a tiny house is okay. So need to be paint. It has to be paint the wall there. I don't know what is that, because my first tenant have a kid, so it's messed up. Yeah. Let's see another. This is the kitchen. The kitchen. So the kitchen doesn't have nothing yet. Eventually have to do a lot of stuff about this house. This is my machine, and another bathroom at the kitchen. It needs to be deep clean, guys. Eventually when people live here, they don't take care. Look, they don't take care. I mean, it's not their house, you know, but when I rent somebody's house, I always keep it clean, and before I move out, I will be clean, because it's kind of like it can represent yourself, how you is and everything, you know, right? So, but anyway, we gonna make this space a home. Is this too small?
No, it's alright. It feels like we got a bunch of, you know what I'm saying, a bunch of kids and then like this. So yeah, but it's alright. It's it's just us three. You know what I'm saying? So we got a bunch of kids running around here. So like you said, paint and clean. Well, mostly clean the biggest thing, and then paint. So it's gonna be probably another couple months before we actually move into here. Yeah. Because gotta make sure it's right before we move in. So.
Have to make energy go out first too. Have to do some, clean energy, clean the thing, clean everything need to be. Whew.
Yeah, and I can be over here sitting on the floor. And,
sit on the floor? You cannot sit on the floor. What you talking about?
I got no couch in there, so.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's all good though. If I had to, I would, but I don't got to, so I'm not.
Yeah. So I have space right there for a car, one car, or two cars even, but I think we're gonna make some plants. But anyway, with anything
decoration
that we gonna do decoration, the thing is like we're gonna vlog it, and y'all will see. It's gonna be interesting, guys. So, oh, it's hot out here.
It is,
look at the front. They have
bananas across the street.
Yeah.
I got bananas in there. Can we get them?
So green.
We can get the bananas.
I think so. Yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all in the back of the house. Actually.
I need some water.
Huh?
I need some water.
My plants need some water.
I'm about to die.
Can you give some water?
You need more than 1 day of water.
Oh, what is this? It's like lime or something. What lime? I don't know. What is it? It's come out itself. Maybe someone put some seeds in there because at first it's have only this plant. So at the back, right here, where the wind come, they also they're building the new house right there. 2 houses already. I think it's the same type of house. We had to buy this, but we had to buy this a new one and put in 2 of it since in the front too. This is the back. It's broke. Damn, my house look like rough. Yes, it's so rough.
It was brand new.
Yeah, it was brand new, like brand new. Because this household is like it's new, all new. It's like 3 years old of the house, but feel like 5+ years already, or 10 years. I have the little seat right here. Little seat.
You see how they got over here? You see how they got it over here?
Got what?
Water.
Yeah.
Catch the AC.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they do like in another house. They do like
Yeah.
To block.
So when you want to get AC, just call the AC people and they come do it for you.
Just go buy AC in the store, and then they will come to you. All right, y'all. So we're gonna go back eventually and go find something to eat. This stuff I will just organize. We will organize like the cleaner, like the professional one. I found it in the Facebook group, and then I'm just find them to come here and clean the whole house to be new again. Hopefully, hopefully they can do that. If not, on the wall, we might have to paint, but we will see for the clean come
on.
We
gonna paint, or we gonna get somebody to paint. Probably gonna get somebody to paint this.
Yeah.
I don't want the, I ain't know, you paint before?
No.
Yeah, I ain't never paint before.
I don't know how to paint, but my family know how to, but let's see about it.
We'll see.
I feel like, damn, we inside here, the house is kinda even. What? Look, the door. Go stand in the door, baby. Even.
You got a little space, man.
Thai house for foreigner. It's kind of too short, but anyway. All right, y'all. So anytime about the house, I'm gonna come and vlog again. What next and what we're gonna do to the house and everything like that. But now let's just go find something to eat. Are you hungry?
A little bit.
Alright, I'll see you in a bit, guys. Alright guys, so we are live at the place in my hometown, Samesan restaurant. So I'm gonna take Nicole, try it out, and let's see how it tastes. It's by the water anyway, by the sea.
Alright,
Let's go. This is the place. My hometown, y'all. This just looks so good. I think we can jump into the water. I got my somtam.
Oh, that was quick.
Nicole got some fish.
Thank you.
Ooh, look at that. It's so big. Looks so good.
I need another glass for my Sprite.
Taste the fish.
It's been good.
They have this too, no? It's a mango mixed with the like
Sour mango,
sour,
onions, carrots, chili,
and also fish sauce.
some fish sauce, lime.
Eat with this one, so good. My somtam.
Everybody coming out. I'm gonna just quick.
Somtam tastes good. Eating with the sea views.
Got the breeze. Breeze coming in. Not too hot.
Yeah.
Still pretty good.
Alright y'all, so that's it for today. I finally come back home. If you ever have the same situation that I have, comment below and how you deal with it. That's crazy, right? But anyway guys, thank you for watching and I will see y'all next video. Bye.